आदरणीय दर्शकवृन्द नमस्कार। यति बेला हामी विश्व शान्तिको महान भगवान गौतम बुद्धको पवित्र जन्मभूमि लुम्बिनीमा उभिरहेका छौं र लुम्बिनीमा विश्व शान्तिको केन्द्रको अभियानको रूपमा विकास गर्नको निम्ति सुरु गरिएको विश्व शान्तिका निम्ति मेरो अभियानको आज थाल्नु हुँदैछ। दक्षिण एसियाली सहयोग संगठनका महासचिव एसाला रुवान बिराकुनले आज लुम्बिनीमा 1 रुपैयाँ दिएर विश्व शान्तिको मूलको रूपमा रहेको लुम्बिनीलाई विश्व शान्ति अभियानको केन्द्रको रूपमा विकास गर्नको लागि बन्दै गरेको महासिद्ध सेन्चुरी फर वर्ल्ड पीस निर्माणार्थ 1 रुपैयाँ अभियानको औपचारिक रूपमा थालनी गर्नुहुनेछ। विश्वभर शान्तिको प्रवाह गरिरहने लुम्बिनीले अब भने विश्वकै शान्तिको एउटा अभियान केन्द्रको रूपमा लुम्बिनीलाई विकास गर्नको लागि सुरु गरिएको महासिद्ध सेन्चुरी फर वर्ल्ड पीस एउटा नमुना योग्य कामको थालनी हुँदैछ र यसमा सबैको सहभागिता होस् भन्नका निम्ति 1 रुपैयाँ अभियान सञ्चालन गरिएको छ। सबै धनी गरिबहरू सबैले अपनत्व बोध गर्दै यस महासिद्ध सेन्चुरी फर वर्ल्ड पीस निर्माणको लागि आफ्नो पनि सहयोग गर्न सकौं भन्ने अभियानका साथ यो कार्यक्रमको सुरुवात गरिएको हो। आज लुम्बिनीमा दक्षिण एसियाली सहयोग संगठनका महासचिव एसाला रुवान बिराकुन र सँगै उहाँको धर्मपत्नी म्याडम क्रिशान्ति यति बेला लुम्बिनीमा हुनुहुन्छ। उहाँहरूले संयुक्त रूपमा आज सांकेतिक $1 दान दिएर यो अभियानको समुद्घाटन गर्नुहुनेछ। लुम्बिनी आफैमा एउटा शान्तिको मुहान हुँदै गर्दा लुम्बिनीलाई अझै शान्तिको अग्रभागमा लैजानको लागि विश्वभर रहेको असमानता विश्वभर रहेको द्वन्द्वको समाधानको लागि द्वन्द्व भइरहँदा विश्वभर बढिरहेको द्वन्द्वलाई निकास दिनको लागि लुम्बिनी एउटा शान्ति वार्ताको रूपमा शान्तिको भूमिका खेल्ने एउटा महत्त्वपूर्ण भागको रूपमा निर्माण गर्नको लागि महासिद्ध सेन्चुरी फर वर्ल्ड पीसले महत्त्वपूर्ण भूमिका खेल्नेछ। खास गरी चीन जापान लगायतका अन्य विभिन्न देशका धनाढ्यहरूले दानी व्यक्तिहरूले पनि हामीले आफै बनाउँछौँ भनिरहेको अवस्थामा यो एउटा जो तपाईहरुले ब्याकग्राउन्डमा देखिरहनु भएको छ पृष्ठभूमिमा देखिरहनु भएको यो दृश्य बन्दै गरेको युनिभर्सल महासिद्ध सेन्चुरी फर वर्ल्ड पीसको दृश्य हो। यो कमल फूलको आकारमा रहेको छ र यसमा यो सामान्य रूपमा बाहिर देखिए पनि 3 वर्षभित्रमा यो निर्माण भइसक्नेछ र यो यही नजिकै लुम्बिनी परिसर भित्रैमा हुनेछ र यसमा केही 2000 भन्दा यो वर्ल्ड क्लासको विश्व स्तरीय 2000 भन्दा बढी सहभागी अटाउने सभा हल हुनेछ। विभिन्न क्षमताका वार्ता कक्षहरू शान्ति वार्ता कक्षहरू हुनेछन्, पुस्तकालय हुनेछ, त्यसैगरी संग्रहालय, त्यसैगरी ध्यान कक्षहरू, बुद्ध विहार, गुम्बा लगायतको अत्याधुनिक केन्द्रको रूपमा यसलाई निर्माण गरिने गरी तयारी गरिरहेको छ। यसैगरी आउने 3 वर्षभित्रैमा यो निर्माण कार्य सम्पन्न हुनेछ र केन्द्रको निर्माण भइसकेपछि संसारभरिका विभिन्न ठाउँमा भइरहेका द्वन्द्वहरूको समाधानको लागि वार्ताको केन्द्रको रूपमा यसलाई विकास गर्ने योजना रहेको छ। विश्वभर छरिएर रहनुभएका नेपालीहरू मात्रै नभई विश्वभर रहनुभएका आम मानिसहरूमा जो बौद्ध धर्मावलम्बी हुनुहुन्छ अथवा अन्य धर्म संस्कारसँग सम्बन्धित सम्पूर्णले आफ्नो थोरै भए पनि योगदान दिएर यस क्षेत्रको विकास गर्नको लागि लुम्बिनीमा विश्व शान्तिको मुहानको रूपमा यसलाई अभियानलाई अगाडि बढाउनको लागि यो कार्यक्रमको थालनी र आयोजना गरिएको हो। लुम्बिनीलाई अहिलेसम्म भगवान बुद्धको जन्मभूमिको रूपमा हामीले जो प्रचार गरिरहेका छौं र भगवान गौतम बुद्धको रूपमा लुम्बिनीले जो भूमिका खेलिरहेको छ अब बन्ने यो युनिभर्सल पीस फर वर्ल्डले एउटा महत्त्वपूर्ण शान्तिको मुहान र केन्द्रको रूपमा समेत फरक पहिचान गराउन सक्ने अपेक्षा गरिएको छ। अब भने म यहाँहरूलाई प्रत्यक्ष कार्यक्रमतर्फ लैजान चाहन्छु। आज दक्षिण एसियाली सहयोग संगठन सार्कका महासचिव एसाला रुवान बिराकुन लुम्बिनीमा हुनुहुन्छ। धर्मपत्नी म्याडम क्रिशान्ति सहित उहाँ यति बेला लुम्बिनीमा हुनुहुन्छ। उहाँले सांकेतिक रूपमा $1 दान गरेर आजबाट यो अभियानको समुद्घाटन गर्ने कार्यक्रम छ। अब म प्रत्यक्ष रूपमा कार्यक्रमतर्फ यहाँलाई डोराउन चाहन्छु।
Thank you very much. Thank you, Your Excellency, Esla Ruwaन Birakun. And also I would like to welcome Madam Krishanti and Banteji and all our friends for coming here to launch 1 rupee donation towards the Universal Peace Sanctuary. In Nepali, we call it Muthidan. Muthidan is traditionally when you give alms to the beggar or alms to anyone who is looking for something to gain. We give rice full of whatever we can catch in our arm, and when we try to get rice. So then we give Mutthidans like this. So that is a symbol that we respect everyone's contribution. It's not because we respect more for those who give more. It's not that we respect less for those who give less. The most important thing is how you give donation. Because donation is not only to help somebody out there. Donation is to truly help oneself. When you donate purely, you inspire other and benefit other as well as yourself. The way you benefit is that you are able to free attachment to whatever you are most attached to. So being able to give that out to somebody is a liberation in itself. So here today in this Lumbini, the birthplace of Buddha, where Queen Maya Devi sacrificed her life to give birth to a child. And that is a symbol of unconditional love. Here when we ask $1 donation, what I am asking is everyone to participate in this historic project unconditionally, so that we will be able to establish peace in the world, we will be able to find peace within ourselves. The peace, if we want to have a lasting peace, we must build the peace on the foundation of unconditional love. Therefore today, in this Lumbini, the birthplace of Buddha, we are here to honor all mothers, our mothers of the past, mothers of the present, and mothers of the future. I would like to invite everyone to give $1, 1 rupee, in the name of their mother by recognizing and remembering mother's unconditional love and kindness. In that way, I think we will be able to truly build peace sanctuary for universal goodness, for entire humanity. This peace sanctuary is for everyone to have a destination where they can go and seek peace. Peace within themselves, peace in the world. So this is a very, very significant event today. We have started the construction. We have already completed the 219 pilings, which are 17 meters deep and 2 feet wide, which is already there. You do not see which is underground. And we have completed almost 70% of the MEPB building. Mechanical engineering, ventilation and plumbing building, 70% is completed. All our design, architect, and engineering part is all done. Now we are really seriously trying to accomplish this project within 3 to 5 years. So this is why it is very important for me to invite everybody to be part of this. I would like to offer this opportunity to everyone so that everyone realizes that they have opportunity to accumulate great merit, and they have responsibility to share and build peace in the world. So today, Your Excellency and Madam, this is a great and a historic event, and it is so wonderful that you are representing 7 countries, and you are the General Secretary of the 7 countries here representing the SAARC. So this is very, very 8 countries, fitting 8 countries representing 8 countries. This is very, very fitting. And also today you are the first time you are here in the birthplace of Buddha, and Madam, and you and we went this morning together. It was such an honor to pray together in the birthplace of Buddha, to pay the thank you and reverence to mothers as well as Prince Siddhartha. And also today is very, very beautiful day, because today is Diwali. Diwali is the celebration of light. Actually, when we bring peace, we will have light. And more than that, today is Lakshmi Day, Lakshmi Puja Day. Lakshmi is also to bring wealth. So I think $1 is not a small donation that we are receiving. 1 rupee is not a small donation that we are receiving. This is a great honor to have Your Excellency and Madam to present this to us. And as far as Nepali government is concerned, we received this land lease for 99 years. So Nepali government was very generous, not only to this peace sanctuary. There are many, many monasteries here from Sri Lanka, Japan, Malaysia, Korea, China, you name it, there are so many. Nepali government is very, very kind. To me especially, when I started, all the parties, Nepali, here in the Nepal, like a Communist Party, like Congress Party, like a Maoist, at that time, all the parties were very, very supportive. All the leaders were very, very supportive, because they realized this is going to be an international project, and this is going to be a national treasure. So I also would like to acknowledge all the help and support that I received, and especially local people here, Hotel Association, Rotary Club, and media, and all these people locally here. They were very, very supportive, and we are very, very fortunate to have them all with us. And this will indeed bring prosperity locally, as well as pride for Nepal as a whole, all over the world. Therefore, this is not just for religious followers. This is for everyone who loves peace, who really want to see each and everyone bring the goodness from within. So I really would like to thank everyone. Now, to really complete this project, I need everyone all over the world today. So many people are watching internationally on Zoom, and here so many news media, local news media, especially News 24 and Kantipur, AP1, Sagarmatha, this all are here. Very, very important medias are here. They are very, very supportive. They are very, very kind to come here voluntarily to really record this and spread this news to everyone. Whoever is listening, whoever will have opportunity to see this, I would like to request all of you to join me in making this historic project a great success, because this is good for everyone. And for the sake of all sentient beings, we are working on this project, and I welcome everyone to support. Everyone to support in whatever form or fashion they are capable of, not only in monetary terms. They can be very creative in whatever way and whatever traditional way that they are following their life. They may come and join us and participate. And because I want everyone to feel that they feel the ownership of this project. It's not the Rinpoche's project that Rinpoche is going to do it by himself. Rinpoche started, Rinpoche had this vision, but now this is everyone's responsibility, as well as this is opportunity for everyone to feel the ownership of this project. With that note, I would like to request Your Excellency to feel the ownership of this project as well, and please come here on the stage and say a few words. Thank you so much for coming.
Your Eminence, Shilpa Tenzing Rinpoche, Venerable Pannachala Thero, Chief Incumbent of the Sri Lankan Monastery, friends from the media. Today, as His Eminence, the Rinpoche mentioned, is truly a very significant and auspicious day. Talking about religions, it's auspicious for the Buddhists and also for the Hindu religion, because it's Diwali or Deepavali, and that is a festival of lights. There's so much darkness in the world, so it's very apt to recognize that we need light. And we are also in this historic, sacred city of Lumbini. Lumbini, as His Eminence the Rinpoche mentioned, and as we all know, as Buddhists, is the birthplace of the Buddha. I think it is the most important site, sacred site, for all Buddhists in the world. Lumbini and Buddhism are inseparable. Lumbini thus becomes the fountain of Buddhism. As His Eminence mentioned, the timeless message of the Buddha is valid for all time. The message of Buddha encompasses loving kindness, peace, compassion, and humaneness and humanity. This is also a timely message for all of us, because we see around us a lot of suspicion, a lot of mistrust, a lot of unease and troubled behavior. So I think the true path to transcend and move forward is the sublime message of Lord Buddha, the message of peace, the message of humanness, the message of humanity, and the message of compassion. And also, His Eminence Rinpoche mentioned, we have to remember the mothers that were, mothers to be. So this timeless message is so very important for us that it is very important that we always recognize and remember that message of the Lord Buddha. Talking about the Universal Peace Sanctuary in Lumbini will be, I believe, a fountain of peace where every individual from every country, every ethnicity, every religion can contribute. Now, His Eminence said that the contribution is not much. It is 1 rupee or $1. That again goes back to the essence of the Buddha's teaching, where the Buddha spoke of equality and egalitarianism. All are equal. So when each one of us and every one of us contributes 1 rupee, we all become stakeholders. And there's a collective ownership. Obviously, His Eminence Rinpoche started the project, and that, Your Eminence, we are indeed grateful. You are a world leader in peace, an apostle of peace, and you also teach about peace and humanity and humanness, not only to us here in Nepal, but internationally and wherever you teach at international universities all over the world. So once again, I have to express my deep gratitude and esteem for your scholarship, for your wisdom, and for your work for humanity. In this regard, I must also mention the visit in 1967 of the then UN Secretary General, His Excellency U Thant, who also visited Lumbini, and the profound impact that Lumbini had on him, the then United Nations Secretary General. I thought I must mention that fact. Also, in 1985, the establishment of the Lumbini Development Trust, because all these sacred sites, the Lumbini site and Kapilavastu now, and also the respective monasteries, are all coming under the administration and the purview of the Lumbini Development Trust. So I extend my deep gratitude and grateful thanks to the membership, the chair, and the patron of the Lumbini Development Trust, who happens to be the Honorable Prime Minister of Nepal. And also the chair is the Minister, Honorable Minister of Cultural Affairs and Tourism of Nepal. So we remember them also with deep respect and gratitude. Also, the long-term aim, I believe, of the Lumbini Development Trust, with the support of eminent Buddhist and spiritual leaders, such as His Eminence the Rinpoche, is to make Lumbini an international city of peace. So this would be another foundation or another pillar that would add to the strength to make Lumbini the international center of peace. As I mentioned, peace is something that we sometimes sorely lack, and peace does not begin, peace begins at home. Peace begins in the mind, First we have to be at peace with ourselves. And I think what better example for us to emulate and follow than the leadership given by His Eminence Shilpa Tenzing Rinpoche, and also Buddhist monks such as the Venerable Pannasara, who have dedicated their life to make the world a better place for each and every one of us to live in peace and harmony, and having mutual respect and extending loving kindness to our fellow human beings. I must also, at this point, once again acknowledge, I think, our gratitude from all of us to the government of Nepal and the Honorable Prime Minister of Nepal for taking the initiative to make an international airport, the Gautama Buddha International Airport, which will make it much easier for pilgrims and devotees from all over the world to make an easy visit, to make it easy for them to travel to Lumbini and visit these sacred sites, which I think for any Buddhist, it's a paramount importance in their lives to visit the sacred site of Lumbini. In this context, I must also, I'm sad and sorry that at the moment we are going through a challenging time with the COVID-19 pandemic, which happens, it's like once in a generation or once in a century. But for that also, I think the timeless message of the Buddha, we have to have patience, we have to have perseverance and pragmatism, that all of us will come through this stronger. We feel sorry and sad and sympathize with those who had to, their lives were at stake due to the pandemic, but we hope that all of us will survive this and come out of it stronger. So again, I plead with you to resonate and take resonance in the message of the Buddha and how we guide our path forward. I mentioned that the importance of having peace in your mind, because as His Eminence said, to grow and develop, you have to have peace. Peace is the foundation for development. So this very important and prestigious project, I believe His Eminence said that it will take 2 to 3 years to complete. And so all of us will become stakeholders by making a very minimum contribution of $1 or 1 rupee. But the essence of the message I have to stress again is that all of us become stakeholders in this noble project, and it is not that one person who provides a larger donation gets recognition. All are recognized. Once again, it's one of the basic tenets of Buddhism about equality and egalitarianism. So I think it's going to be a very momentous and historic occasion with the guidance and blessings of His Eminence. We will now, all of us here, make our voluntary contributions of $1 or 1 rupee for the Universal Peace Sanctuary, also called the Mahasiddha Peace Sanctuary. So before I finish my brief remarks, I wish to acknowledge each and every one of you who have made this event possible members of your team, His Eminence Rinpoche, and also the gentlemen and ladies from the media who have taken time off to be here for this very historic and momentous project. So may I then wish you all the strength to continue this magnificent work as a world leader of peace, an apostle of peace, and also may the blessings of the noble Triple Gem be with all of you and for your continued happiness, well-being and good health. All the very best.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you for your donation. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you for your very, very thoughtful message. We appreciate it very much. We are very fortunate to have you here today. And this is the beginning of the donation drive, a crowdfunding. And this 1 rupee means a lot to us. And this is historic 1 rupee. And thank you so much for your contribution. Now I would like to ask Madam Krishanti to present some words. And thank you so much for coming here. Thank you.
Your Holiness, and all those present here, I wish to take this opportunity to say how privileged I am to be again in Lumbini, the holy place of the birth of the Buddha. But I'm also equally honored and privileged to be here today at this historic $1 donation or 1 rupee donation drive for the Universal Peace Sanctuary in Lumbini. For me, I think this is the greatest thing that Lumbini could benefit from, is to have a peace sanctuary. And I know with the leadership of His Eminence, we will be able to achieve this. So I kindly urge everyone globally across all parts of the world to donate generously and timely towards the completion of this project. I can only wish every success to see the end of this project very successfully achieved. May you be well and happy, and I wish you every success.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Madam. Thank you so much for your contribution. Thank you for joining us here. This is a wonderful way to truly start this crowdfunding and a drive to encourage everyone to participate in this project. It's very fitting that Your Excellency, the leader representing 8 countries, is here. So from here we will start, and everywhere all over the world. And it is also very fitting to have Madam, your mother. So this is a way for us to honor each and every mother of the past and the present and future. You are representing all the mothers here today, and this is a very historic moment. We appreciate it, and a very auspicious one. Thank you so very much to both of you. Now, I think we still have a few more minutes. If there is any questions that I will be happy to take. The main thing here today is to really start from Nepal and start from Lumbini, as we have started with the 1 rupee. So each and every Nepali citizens, and whatever way they are able to contribute and participate, this will become an exemplary to all over the world. When I go all over the world and talk about the peace sanctuaries, it will be a very profound, very sacred way for me to present how we have started here in Nepal. Because each and every Nepali citizens are very, very wealthy in their hearts. Because I know, because they are very, very generous people, and they are able to do so many ways to really contribute to help. And Nepali, and as we know, all of us are really very good in hosting our guests. So this Lumbini must become the place for us to host all the seekers for peace around the world when they come here. So, we, each and every Nepali, and this is a great opportunity, this is a great day, and thank you for all of you for coming here, and if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer now.
आदरणीय दर्शकवृन्द, हामी यति बेला लुम्बिनीबाट प्रत्यक्ष प्रसारणमा जोडिरहेका छौँ। लुम्बिनीबाट आजदेखि सुरु गरिएको विश्व शान्तिका निम्ति मेरो अभियान, मेरो योगदान अभियानको आजबाट थालनी भएको छ। भर्खरै यहाँहरूले दृश्यमा देख्नुभयो, सार्कका महासचिव यसाला रुहान विराकुनले 1 रुपैयाँ दान गरेर यो अभियानको समुद्घाटन गर्नुभयो भने म्याडम कृशान्तिले $1 सांकेतिक रूपमा $1 हस्तान्तरण गरेर यो अभियानको थालनी गर्नुभएको छ। विश्व शान्तिको मुहान लुम्बिनीलाई विश्व शान्तिको केन्द्र, विश्वमा रहिरहेको अहिंसा र द्वन्द्वको समाधानको केन्द्रको रूपमा निर्माण गर्न, केन्द्रको रूपमा विकास गर्नको लागि महासिद्ध सेन्चुरी फर ओल्ड पीस निर्माण हुन लागिरहेको यो केन्द्र, खास गरी यो केन्द्रले कस्तो भूमिका खेल्छ र यो केन्द्रको निर्माणको लागि के तयारी भइरहेको छ, यसै विषयमा थप कुराकानी हामी गुरुसँग गर्न गइरहेका छौँ। र यहाँ साल्पो रिम्पोचेसँग म थप केही विषयमा कुराकानी गर्न चाहन्छु। We are talking Nepali? Yes. खास गरी यो 1 रुपीज डोनेसन आज भर्खरै यहाँ महासचिव मार्फत यहाँ सुरुवात गरिएको छ। यो 1 रुपीज डोनेसन प्रोग्राम चाहिँ के हो?
1 रुपी डोनेसन को पोइन्ट चाहिँ शुद्ध दानको लागि, यो शुद्ध प्रोजेक्ट हो। यो शुद्ध प्रोजेक्ट होनेको नाता सबैजनाले मनबाट सफा दान जति दिने सक्छ, त्यो एमाउन्ट चाहिँ ठुलो कुरा होइन, त्यो मनबाट आएको सामान चाहिँ सबभन्दा विशेष हामीले भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट मान्छौँ। त्यही कारणले हामी सबैजनाको लागि एउटा रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटीको रूपमा पनि हामीले रिक्वेस्ट गर्दछौँ। किनभने पिस चाहिँ धनी मात्रैले पिस चाहिने होइन, उनीहरू मात्रै सुख चाहिने होइन, सुख चाहिँ सबैले चाहिने हो, हामी सबैले। अनि सुखले हामीसँग बाध्य छ। 1 रुपैयाँ दान दिने बेलामा हामी मनमा सुख पाउनेको लागि हामीले मौका पाउँछ, त्यो मौका चाहिँ सबैले बाँड्ने पर्छ भनेर मेरो आशय त्यही हो। किनभने आई रेस्पेक्ट everyone has possibility to become enlightened because they have basic goodness here. So therefore we have to give everyone opportunity to participate in this project. So therefore they feel they are part of this project, therefore they have opportunity to achieve peace and happiness.
जस्तो लुम्बिनीबाटै यहाँहरूले 1 रुपैयाँको अभियान सुरु गर्नु भएको छ, यसलाई यहाँहरूले लुम्बिनी नै चाहिँ किन छान्नुभयो खासमा?
लुम्बिनी चाहिँ पवित्र भूमि and UNESCO World Heritage Site, and यहाँ लुम्बिनीमा हामी भनौँ न मायादेवी, सुदोधना र प्रिन्स सिद्धार्थको रिलेसनसिप भएको भूमिमा यो चाहिँ धेरै हार्मोनिक हिस्टोरिक एउटा ठाउँ भएर ओमकार परिवारको पनि यो सबभन्दा ठुलो महत्त्वपूर्ण एउटा भूमि भएर यहीँबाट सुरु गरेपछि सबैले मङ्गलम हुन्छ अनि शुभ हुन्छ भनेर त्यही कारणले हामी यहाँबाट सुरु गरेको। अनि त्यो एउटा अर्को कुरा पनि अनि लुम्बिनीबाट विश्वभरिमा पिस पार्न सक्छ भनेर हामी आशा राखेर नेपालको एउटा प्राइडको को लागि पनि लुम्बिनीबाट सुरु गर्नुपर्छ भनेर हामी त्यस्तो सोचेको छौँ।
खास गरी लुम्बिनीलाई विश्वको एउटा शान्तिको मुहान भनेर त चिनिरहन्छ, तर विश्वमा जो अहिले अशान्ति, अहिंसा, द्वन्द्व विश्वमा जति पनि भइरहेका छन्, यिनीहरूलाई समाधान गर्नको लागि लुम्बिनीले जति भूमिका खेल्नुपर्ने हो त्यो भूमिका अहिलेसम्म नखेलेको आम मानिसले गुनासो गरिरहेको बेलामा यहाँहरूले जो युनिभर्सल यो पिस सेन्चुरीको सुरुवात गरिराख्नु भएको छ, यसले अब आउने दिनमा चाहिँ द्वन्द्व समाधानका निम्ति कस्तो भूमिका खेल्छ?
अनि यो पिस सेन्चुरीमा इन्टरनेसनल मेम्बर्स विल पार्टिसिपेट गर्छ। अनि पार्टिसिपेट गर्ने बेलामा यो पिस सेन्चुरीको भित्रमा पनि त्यहाँ कन्फरेन्स रुम, एउटा ठुलो कन्फरेन्स रुममा करिब 1500देखि 2000सम्म मान्छे छिर्नेको लागि एउटा स्टेट अफ आर्ट एउटा कन्फरेन्स रुम पनि हुन्छ। अनि सानो सानो कन्फरेन्स रुम, त्यो 80-90 वर्ल्ड लिडर्स बसेर त्यहाँ नेगोसिएसन गर्ने, सोल्युसन डायलग थ्रु पाउनेको लागि त्यहाँ 500वटा रुम पनि हुन्छ। त्यस कारणले भविष्यमा जसो कि अस्ति नै प्रेसिडेन्ट डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प र किम जोङ उन नर्थ कोरियाको लिडर चाहिँ उनीहरू नेगोसिएसन गर्ने बेलामा उनीहरूले सिङ्गापुरमा जानु पर्यो। अनि त्यति बेला पनि सिङ्गापुरमा पनि उनीहरूको सिक्युरिटी चाहिँ गोर्खा आर्मी नै युज गरेको रहेछ। हामी चाहिँ त्यस्तो सिङ्गापुर र भियतनाम त्यस्तो जाने नपर्ने गरे लुम्बिनीमै त्यस्तो पिसको डायलग हुनुपर्छ भनेर मेरो आशा त्यहाँ हो, किनभने दिस इज द सेन्टर फर पिस। अनि यही चाहिँ हामीले सिक्युरिटी पनि हामीले दिन सक्छ, नेपाल सरकारले दिन सक्छ। नेपाल सरकार त्यति शक्ति छ। And Nepal Sarkar is a neutral country. And from all over the world, Nepal Sarkar is the most neutral country. Therefore, I think this is a perfect place to have a peace sanctuary where all the leaders can come to find solution through dialogue in Lumbini. So this is our one of the very important goals. Besides making this is a destination for every peace lovers.
Okay. जस्तै यो 1 रुपैयाँ अभियान जो मुठीदानको अभियान छ, यो मुठीदानको अभियान र सँगसँगै युनिभर्सल पिस सेन्चुरी यो कति इन्टर रिलेटेड छ? आफैमा यो अभियान यसको निर्माणसम्म मात्रै रहन्छ कि त्यसपछि पनि यो अभियान जारी रहन्छ?
यो चाहिँ विश्वभरिमा एउटा हामीले इन्करेजमेन्टको रूपमा लिने खोजेको छु, किनभने 1 रुपैयाँ दिने बेलामा हामीले के रिक्वेस्ट गर्दैछौँ, तपाईलाई 1 रुपैयाँ दिने बेला अनकन्डिसनली प्लिज हामीले पाऊँ भनेर हामी रिक्वेस्ट गर्ने बेलामा what we want to know is if they can do this by giving $1 first, त्यहाँदेखि सुरु गरेर अर्को आफ्नो जे काम गरे पनि त्यहाँबाट सुरु गरेर अनकन्डिसनल रूपमा आफ्नो जिन्दगी बिताउन सके पनि उनीहरू पनि धेरै फाइदा हुन्छ, विश्वभरिमा पनि धेरै फाइदा हुन्छ। त्यो धेरै इन्टर रिलेटेड विथ पिस सेन्चुरी। पिस सेन्चुरी चाहिँ एउटा बिल्डिङ मात्रैको कुरा होइन, पिस सेन्चुरी चाहिँ सबैको मनमा कसरी पिस इस्टाब्लिस गर्ने, सबैको विश्वमा कसरी पिस फैल्ने, त्यति कारणले सबैसँग रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटी पनि हुनुपर्छ, मौका पनि दिनुपर्छ भने यही आज चाहिँ मौका दिने खोज्यो। किनकि आज हिज एक्सलेन्सी रिप्रेजेन्टेड 8 countries. So it's like now we have more than 8 countries in the world, but we will start from Asia because Nepal belongs to SAARC group of the countries. So from here, if we can start, I think we will be able to make a great contribution to the humanity. We need it most right now. And so this is why we are trying very best to build this peace sanctuary, so that from here we will be able to really spread like a sun is shining from the east. So the light goes all over the world. Like today, this is perfect because it's a Deepavali day. So we are bringing light to everyone. So requesting everyone to light up by just participating and donating $1 or 1 rupee or 1 renminbi. So whatever way, you will be able to contribute.
जस्तै अब मैले यो अभियानको लागि 1 रुपैयाँ दान दिन चाहे भने विश्वभर छरिएर रहेका जति पनि आम मानिसहरू हुनुहुन्छ उहाँहरूले कसरी यहाँहरूलाई सहयोग गर्ने, कसरी दान गर्ने? मैले लुम्बिनीको लागि बन्दै गरेको युनिभर्सल पिस कन्फरेन्स सेन्चुरीको लागि म सहयोग गर्न चाहन्छु, तर म कहाँ जाने, मैले कसरी दिने भने यो कसरी मिलाउनु भएको छ, यसको सिस्टम के छ?
Yes, so we have a website. We have developed apps also. So we have a PayPal, and we have developed apps, our own apps. So when you go under the peacesanctuary.org, you will find a way to donate 1 rupee or $1 or 1 renminbi, whatever you can donate, and you will be able to record your name. Each and everyone who donate 1 rupee, $1 will be recorded in our computer, and then Deloitte, the world's #1 accounting and auditing firm, will be taking care of this and the responsibility. so that everything will be transparent, professionally received, and professionally used to exactly for this purpose here in the construction of Universal Peace Sanctuary. So, but in the future, we will have more opportunities, many ways to contribute. And this first time we are launching here in Nepal, but we will be launching this everywhere in every different countries. And if in Malaysia, we will be requesting one leader there or two leaders there, few leaders there to come and join us. So we will have 1 ringgit and our donation from everyone. If it is in London, we will have a 1 sterling donation from everywhere. And Europe, €1. So we will be going everywhere as soon as we find a vaccine for COVID-19 and we were able to travel. So right now we are not able to travel, but still we are working very hard. For the Peace Sanctuary itself, last 6 months, our team, actually we have the top architect in the world, top engineers, top designers, top quantity surveyors. Some are in Malaysia, some are in Hong Kong, some are in Europe, some are in China, and some Nepal. So we are working for last 6 months on computer, online, from remote, and in our own room. So we have developed so much working, even though we are not able to meet each other from the Zoom and from conferences, we are working like that. So from today onwards, with the help of News 24 and all other medias, we would like to spread this everywhere. So we start from here and we expand and all over the world. This is our hope.
जस्तै यो अभियान यहाँहरूले 3 वर्षभित्रमा यो इमारत बनिसक्छ, जो युनिभर्सल पीस सेन्चुरी यो छ, जो 3 वर्षभित्रमा बनिसक्छ, त्यस पछाडि पनि लगत्तै 1 रुपैयाँ दानमा अभियान चलिरहन्छ?
Yes, I think as long as we need, because once we have this project here, this project will be running. So therefore, actually there is more expenses to run the project than building the Peace Sanctuary, because after that, many leaders like His Excellency and all the leaders from around the world will be coming here to have a dialogue and find solution through dialogue, and many activities will be having here. So at that time, many our Nepalese brothers and sisters who are talented must be here and working, so that we will be able to really take care of all these leaders when they come here. So there will be expenses, continuously, maybe more expenses than the building itself, possibly. Depends on how we are able to truly make this whole year-round program. For that, today, like a hotel association in Lumbini and all the provincial and in Nepal, and all the other businessmen and locally, this will be able to bring great deal of benefit, because so many leaders, so many world leaders, so many business leaders, so many pilgrims, so many peace lovers will be coming here. At that time, we will have to have so many programs to handle them properly. We have to be able to really be prideful that we are able to do it right way. So this is where we have opportunity as all Nepali brothers and sisters to truly work together to really shine and contribute and make everyone proud being a Nepali and being same like Buddha who was born in Lumbini.
Okay. गौतम बुद्धको जन्मस्थल मात्रै होइन, विश्व शान्तिको मुहान पनि हो। यो ठाउँबाट विश्वका महाशक्ति भनिएका जो सामाजिक रूपमा विश्वमा एउटा द्वन्द्व फैलाइरहेका विभिन्न शक्तिहरूको बीचमा अथवा शक्तिशाली समूहहरूको बीचमा पनि जो द्वन्द्व चाहिँ अहिले भड्किरहेको छ, यो द्वन्द्वलाई समाधान गर्नका लागि यहाँहरूले सुरु गरेको यो अभियानले महत्त्वपूर्ण भूमिका खेलोस्। यो हाम्रो तर्फबाट, समग्र हाम्रो टेलिभिजनको तर्फबाट यहाँहरूलाई धेरै शुभकामना छ र हामीले यहाँहरूलाई गर्न सक्ने सहयोगको क्रममा पनि हामीले पूर्णतः सधैँ सहयोग साथ दिने नै छौँ। यहाँहरूको अभियान सफल रहोस्। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so very much. Thank you for all of you coming here and covering this and spreading this wonderful news to all over the world, because this is a fitting, and because His Excellency coming all the way from Kathmandu to donate in Lumbini and towards this project. And like all of you are coming from Kathmandu and everywhere, so this is a perfect time in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic and almost lockdown time, we're able to do this. So I need all of your support, not just now, continuously I need your support and spreading this message to as many people as possible and all over the world. And we are coming to you and we are requesting all of you to participate and be part of this project, because this is a historic project. This is for the mankind. And there's nothing better to do anything than help others. So I hope everybody realizes this is going to help everyone. Not necessarily Buddha needs this peace sanctuary here at all, as far as I'm concerned. I'm not so sure Buddha will need this, but humanity needs this. Not only now, for thousands of years from now, we need this peace sanctuary as a destination for peace lovers. This is not a religious site per se, because there are many sacred religious sites all over the world. Like for Islam tradition, you have Mecca and Medina. For Jewish and Christian tradition, you have Jerusalem and Bethlehem. Your Buddhist and Hindu, you have Ram Janambhumi and Bodh Gaya. These are very, very sacred places people can go to. But whether you are a religious person or not, there is no destination for every peace lovers. So we hope this becomes the destination for every peace lovers around the world. Every race, every color, every creed, male, female, rich, poor, everyone, this will become the sanctuary for them, where they can find peace, where they can go deep within, and where they can truly find the meaning of human life. So this is our hope, and this is wonderful, because this is a fountain of peace. From here, if we are able to spread the peace, it's very, very important. Of course, we must start peace from ourselves. So this is, in my way, I'm trying to work on myself to do something as much as I'm capable of to contribute towards the mankind. So all of you are trying the same way. So I thank you, everyone, for coming, and I appreciate very deeply for your support, your encouragement, and your kindness. And please help make this a success continuously. And thank you, everyone who are watching on Zoom and other media outlets out there all over the world. And thank you very much. And I appreciated all of you joining us right now on the Zoom and this connection here. This is amazing, and this is how we can work together, and this is where I would like to invite all of you someday when we have the inauguration of this Universal Peace Sanctuary in Lumbini. Until then, keep healthy, keep strong, and make sure you always keep social distancing, and make sure you keep healthy to overcome this until we are able to find vaccine and solutions for this pandemic time. And I also pray, like His Excellency, we did prayer at our monastery for last 6 months, every day for the deceased. Those who pass away, we did the Tibetan Book of Dead, and we did the transference of consciousness. We did the, Amitabha Buddha Puja and everything like that. So we continuously will be doing it, and I would like to express my condolences to all of those in your family who lost your parents and your relatives and your sisters and your brothers. So we really feel for all of you, because it's not easy for anyone, but we will be able to overcome. And in the name of those deceased also, please contribute. There's no better way to represent them than participate in this project. Thank you. Thank you very much.
थ्याङ्क यू गुरु रिम्पोछे। साँच्चीकै गुरु रिम्पोछेले भने जस्तै लुम्बिनी गौतम बुद्धको जन्मस्थल त आफैमा हुँदै हो, यो पावन भूमि, पवित्र भूमि त आफैमा हुँदै हो, साथसाथै अब विश्वभरको शान्तिको केन्द्रको रूपमा विश्वलाई लुम्बिनीले केही योगदान गर्दैछ। आउनुहोस्, 1 रुपैयाँ योगदान गरेर अब लुम्बिनीलाई विश्वभरको शान्तिको मुहान, विश्वका ठूला ठूला द्वन्द्वहरूको समाधानको केन्द्रको रूपमा लुम्बिनीलाई विकास गराउने यो महाअभियानमा सहभागी बनौं। विश्व शान्तिको कामना गर्दै आइपुग्नु भएका सार्कका महासचिव, त्यसैगरी म्याडम एवं सम्पूर्ण यहाँ उपस्थित हुनुभएको र यस अभियानमा जोडिनु भएका सम्पूर्णबाट आज यो अभियानको उद्घाटन र यो अभियानलाई सहकार्य गर्ने प्रतिबद्धता जनाउनु भएको छ। साच्चीकै लुम्बिनीको विकासको लागि, साच्चीकै लुम्बिनीको महत्त्वपूर्ण योगदानको लागि यो विशिष्ट र यो महत्त्वपूर्ण रहनेछ भन्ने अपेक्षा आम नेपाली, आम लुम्बिनीवासी र सम्पूर्ण जनताहरूले गरिराख्नु भएको छ। अब हामी यहाँहरूलाई जो बन्नेछ महासिद्ध सेन्चुरी फर वर्ल्ड पिस निर्माणार्थ फिल्ड भिजिट हामीले यहाँहरूलाई गराउनेछौँ। त्यसै गरी यहाँका विभिन्न यो क्षेत्र जहाँ यो प्रोजेक्टको सुरुवात हुँदैछ हामी यहाँहरूलाई त्यता केन्द्रित गर्नेछौँ र कोभिड-19 विश्वभर महामारीको रूपमा फैलिरहेको कोभिड-19ले यति बेला विश्वलाई थिलो पारिरहेको छ। विभिन्न कार्यक्रमहरूदेखि लिएर विकासका कामहरूलाई ठप्प पारिरहेको यो अवस्थामा पनि यसरी जुटेर यो सामाजिक दूरी कायम गर्दै राज्यले दिएको स्वास्थ्यको मापदण्ड कायम गर्दै विश्व शान्तिका निम्ति मेरो योगदान अभियान आज लुम्बिनीबाट समुद्घाटन भएको छ। यो अभियानले सार्थकता पाओस्, छिट्टै सार्थकता पाउनेछ र 3 वर्षभित्रैमा बन्न लागेको महासिद्ध सेन्चुरी फर वर्ल्ड पिस निर्माणार्थ यो जो अभियानको सुरुवात भएको छ यसले महत्त्वपूर्ण भूमिका विश्व शान्तिको रूपमा लुम्बिनीलाई चिनाउन र विश्वका विभिन्न ठूला अघि गुरु रिम्पोछेले भने जस्तै विश्वमा जो महाशक्ति मानिने अमेरिका र उत्तर कोरियाका प्रमुखहरू बीचको शान्ति वार्ताको रूपमा सिङ्गापुरमा सम्पन्न भयो। त्यसैगरी म यहाँहरूलाई जोड्न चाहन्छु 10 वर्षसम्म नेपालमा चलेको द्वन्द्व समाधानका निम्ति भारतमा गएर बृहत शान्ति सम्झौता गर्नु पर्यो। तर अब लुम्बिनीले विश्वका ठूला द्वन्द्वहरूलाई समाधान गर्नको निम्ति आज बन्ने यो सेन्चुरीले यो सेन्चुरी फर वर्ल्ड पिसले विभिन्न ठूला द्वन्द्वहरूको समाधानका निम्ति शान्ति वार्ता कक्ष पनि बनाउनेछ। त्यही शान्ति वार्ता कक्षमा बसेर विश्वका ठूला द्वन्द्वहरू समाधान हुनेछन्। आउनुहोस् अब हामीले यो विश्वलाई शान्तिको रूपमा शान्तिको कामना गर्दै विश्वलाई विकास गर्नको लागि, विश्वलाई शान्तितर्फ लैजानको लागि, समानतातर्फ लैजानको लागि सबैले आफूले सकेको सहयोग गर्ने अभियान जो 1 रुपैयाँ अभियान छ। सामान्य गरिबले पनि, सामान्य किसानले पनि, सामान्य मजदुरले पनि म विश्वमा शान्ति चाहन्छु भन्ने सम्पूर्ण आम नेपालीहरू, सम्पूर्ण विश्वभरका मानिसहरू जो बौद्ध धर्मसँग मात्रै सम्बन्धित होइन, हिन्दू धर्म अथवा अन्य कुनै विभिन्न धर्म, विभिन्न संस्कारसँग सम्बन्धित राख्ने सम्पूर्ण मानिसहरूले थोरै जे जति सकेर हुन्छ, जसरी हुन्छ, एउटा सामान्य मजदुर, एउटा गरिब, एउटा किसान सबैले जति सक्नुहुन्छ त्यति दान गरेर, त्यति सहयोग गरेर यो निर्माणार्थ तपाईँ हामीले भित्र मनबाट चाहने शान्तिको लागि यो अभियान सुरुवात गरिएको छ। यो अभियानमा सहभागी हुन हामी पनि यहाँहरूलाई व्यक्तिगत रूपमा र सम्पूर्ण युनिटको तर्फबाट हामी पनि अपिल गर्छौँ र हामी लगत्तै अब यहाँहरूलाई बन्दै गरेको सेन्चुरी फर वर्ल्ड पिस निर्माणार्थ भवनतर्फ लैजान चाहन्छौँ, जहाँ जमिन मुनि विभिन्न कामहरू सम्पन्न भइसकेको छ भने त्योभन्दा माथि हुनुपर्ने धेरै कामहरू बाँकी नै छ। त्यसको जो पृष्ठभूमिमा देखिरहनु भएको छ यो दृश्य कमलको फूल, यो शान्तिको प्रतीकको रूपमा मानिने कमलको फूल सेतो कलरमा बनिरहेको यो दृश्य अब यो दृश्य बन्दैछ। यसलाई झन्डै 5 बिघा क्षेत्रफलमा 145 फिट अग्लो यो इमारत बन्दैछ। यहाँभित्र खास गरी यहाँभित्र मायादेवीले गौतम बुद्ध लिटल बोन जन्म दिँदै गरेको गौतम बुद्धको तस्बिर रहनेछ भने यहाँ 2000 भन्दा धेरै मानिसहरू अट्ने शान्ति वार्ता कक्ष, त्यसै गरी शान्ति पुस्तकालय र विभिन्न बुद्ध विहार, गुम्बाहरू, सम्मेलन कक्ष, संग्रहालय लगायतका महत्त्वपूर्ण चिजहरू यहाँभित्र निर्माण हुनेछन्। यो निर्माण 3 वर्षभित्रमा सकिनेछ र यो निर्माण सम्पन्न भए लगत्तै ठूला द्वन्द्वहरूका जो नेतृत्व गरिरहेका, द्वन्द्वको सिर्जना गरिरहेकालाई पनि यस भवनभित्र ल्याएर यहाँ ल्याएर हामीले शान्तिको वार्ता गराउनेछौँ भनेर भर्खरै रिम्पोछेले भन्नुभएको छ। हो, यो शान्ति वार्ताले अब विश्वमा शान्तिको मुहान, विश्वमा अब चाहिँ द्वन्द्व छैन है अथवा द्वन्द्व भइसके पनि लुम्बिनीमा आए पछाडि त्यो शान्तिमा परिणत हुन्छ भन्ने दृश्य, भन्ने उदाहरण अब यो इमारतले, यो बन्दै गरेको युनिभर्सल पिस सेन्चुरी इन लुम्बिनीले देखाउनेछ। आदरणीय दर्शकवृन्द, आज दक्षिण एसियाली सहयोग संगठनका महासचिव एसाला रुवान विराकुन लुम्बिनीमा हुनुहुन्छ र उहाँले भर्खरै 1 रुपैयाँ दान गरेर रिम्पोछे मार्फत अहिले आजदेखि 1 रुपैयाँ दानको महाअभियान सुरुवात गरिसक्नु भएको छ। त्यसै गरी म्याडम कृशान्तीले पनि $1 सहयोग गर्नुभएको छ। विश्वभर छरिएर रहनुभएका नेपालीहरूले 1 रुपैयाँ र विश्वभर बाह्य झन्डै $1 सहयोग गरेर भगवान बुद्धको पवित्र जन्मभूमि विश्व शान्तिको केन्द्र बनाउन सबैको सहभागिता होस् भन्ने हेतुका साथ यसरी 1 रुपैयाँ अभियानको सुरुवात गरिएको हो। खास गरी महासिद्ध सेन्चुरी फर युनिभर्सल पिसमा बन्दै गरेको यो विश्वस्तरीय भवन चाहिँ यहाँ निर्माण हुँदैछ र यो निर्माण गर्नको लागि संसारभरका विभिन्न ठाउँबाट श्रद्धालुहरू निर्माणका लागि विश्वका हजारौं श्रद्धालुहरूले 1 रुपैयाँ वा त्योभन्दा धेरै दान गरेर यो निर्माणको लागि महत्त्वपूर्ण भूमिका खेल्नुहुनेछ। अब हामी यहाँहरूलाई फिल्डतर्फ लैजानेछौँ। शान्तिको नमुना यति बेला विश्व दक्षिण एसियाली सहयोग संगठन सार्कका महासचिव एसाला रुवान बिराकुन लुम्बिनी प्रवेश गर्दै गरेको दृश्य हामीले यहाँलाई देखाइरहेका छौँ। आज बिहान मात्र उहाँ लुम्बिनी आइपुग्नु भएको छ र विश्व शान्तिको यो क्षेत्रलाई आज उहाँले बिहान लुम्बिनीको दर्शन महादेवी मन्दिरको दर्शन गर्नुभयो भने आज नै उहाँले लुम्बिनीमा सुरु गरिएको मेरो योगदान अभियानको थालनीमा 1 रुपैयाँ नेपाली 1 रुपैयाँ उहाँले सांकेतिक रूपमा आज हस्तान्तरण रिम्पोछेलाई हस्तान्तरण गरेर खास गरी यो अभियानको चाहिँ सुरुवात गर्नुभएको छ। यसपछि हामी यहाँहरूलाई यो जो बन्दै गरेको 5 बिघा क्षेत्रफलमा बन्दै गरेको यो महासिद्ध सेन्चुरी फर वर्ल्ड पिस तर्फ लैजान चाहन्छौँ। यो तपाईँले देखिरहनु भएको दृश्य महासिद्ध सेन्चुरी फर वर्ल्ड पिस बन्दैछ। अघि हामीले यहाँलाई देखायौँ कमल फुलको आकारमा झन्डै 145 फिट अग्लो इमारत अब यहाँ बन्दैछ। यसभित्र रहेर यहाँ यसभित्र विभिन्न वर्ल्ड स्तरीय जो विश्व स्तरीय 2000 भन्दा बढी सहभागी अटाउने सभा सम्मेलन कक्ष, विभिन्न क्षमताका शान्ति वार्ता कक्षहरू, बुद्ध शान्ति पुस्तकालय, संग्रहालय, ध्यान कक्षहरू, बुद्ध विहार, गुम्बा लगायत अत्याधुनिक केन्द्रहरू यहाँ बन्नेछन्। लामो समयदेखि कोभिड-19 कोरोना भाइरसको प्रभावको कारणले गर्दा लुम्बिनी बन्द जस्तै छ। लुम्बिनीमा पर्यटकहरूको आवागमन ठप्प जस्तै छ। विश्वभर यति बेला कोभिडले धेरै ठुलो पारिरहेको अवस्थामा पनि लुम्बिनीको विकासको लागि विश्वलाई शान्तिको सन्देश दिनको लागि विभिन्न ठाउँबाट सार्कका महासचिव विभिन्न अवरोधका बीच पनि सार्कका महासचिव एसाला रुवाना बिराकुन लुम्बिनी आइपुग्नु भएको छ। लुम्बिनी आएर उहाँले विभिन्न प्रोग्रामहरू यो कार्यक्रममा सहभागी रहनुभयो। यो 5 बिघा क्षेत्रफलमा रहेको यो दृश्यमा खास गरी यो क्षेत्रमा 145 फिट अग्लो मन्दिर बन्दैछ जो विश्व शान्तिको लागि महासिद्ध सेन्चुरी फर वर्ल्ड पिस को रूपमा रहनेछ र यसको दायाँतर्फ यो हामी पश्चिमी बिहार क्षेत्रमा उभिरहेका छौँ र पश्चिमी बिहार क्षेत्रबाट दायाँतर्फ यहाँ ठुलो मोनास्ट्री बन्नेछ जो पाहुनाहरूका लागि र विभिन्न देशहरूबाट आउने व्यक्तिहरूको लागि बस्नको लागि आवास गृहको रूपमा रहनेछ भने यो झन्डै 5 बिघा क्षेत्रफलमा फैलिएको छ। 5 बिघा क्षेत्रफलमा रहेको यो भूभागले यो भूगोलले यहाँ 3 वर्षभित्रमा छुट्टै यसको स्वरूप परिवर्तन हुनेछ र 3 वर्षभित्रमै यहाँ विशिष्ट प्रकृतिको एउटा भवन निर्माण हुनेछ जसले यो विश्व शान्तिको लागि महत्त्वपूर्ण भूमिका खेल्ने भनेर भनिएको छ। महासिद्ध सेन्चुरी फर युनिभर्सल पिसको निर्माण र विकास 3 वर्षभित्रमा गरिनेछ र यससँगै लुम्बिनीको पहिचान फेरिनेछ। लुम्बिनी गौतम बुद्धको जन्मस्थल आफैमा हुँदै हो। लुम्बिनी गौतम बुद्धको जन्मस्थल मात्रै होइन, यहाँ अब विश्वभरका द्वन्द्वका समाधान गर्ने केन्द्र पनि हो भनेर लुम्बिनी विकास लुम्बिनीलाई विस्तार गरिँदैछ। लुम्बिनीको पहिचानको रूपमा विशिष्ट पहिचान लुम्बिनीको लागि थपिँदैछ। हामीले यहाँ महासचिव सार्कका महासचिव र गुरु रिम्पोछेसँग पनि कुराकानी गऱ्यौँ। उहाँहरूले महत्त्वपूर्ण उहाँहरूको परिकल्पना हो यो। खासमा उहाँले परिकल्पना गरेर यो परिकल्पनाबाट यसलाई हामीले बनाउँछौँ भनेर चीन, जापान, कोरिया, मलेसिया लगायतका थुप्रै देशहरूबाट दानीहरूले भनिरहनु भएको थियो। तर सबैको सहभागिता होस् भन्नका निम्ति, खास गरी सामान्य किसान, सामान्य गरिब, सामान्य सबै आम मानिसहरूको सहभागिता होस् भन्नका निम्ति सबैको आम सहभागिता गर्नको निम्ति यो अभियानको थालनी गरिएको। आदरणीय दर्शकवृन्द, हामी यति बेला लुम्बिनीमा छौँ। लुम्बिनीको पश्चिमी बिहार क्षेत्रमा निर्माण हुन लागेको महासिद्ध सेन्चुरी फर वर्ल्ड पिस निर्माणार्थ यो आजको अभियान मेरो योगदान अभियानको थालनी आज गरिएको छ। सार्कका महासचिव एसएलआर रुवान बिराकुलले आज 1 रुपैयाँ दान दिएर यो अभियानको सुरुवात गर्नुभएको छ। विश्वभर छरिएर रहेका बौद्ध लगायत विभिन्न धर्म र संस्कारसँग जोडिएका मानिसहरूले अपनत्व बोध गर्न सक्ने गरी लुम्बिनीको पहिचानलाई फेर्ने गरी, लुम्बिनीको पहिचानलाई थप्ने गरी, लुम्बिनीलाई अझै विकास विस्तार गर्ने गरी यो एउटा महाअभियानको सुरुवात गरिएको छ। यो अभियानमा सबैले हातेमालो गर्दै यो अभियानलाई 3 वर्षभित्रैमा यो ठुलो महासिद्ध सेन्चुरी फर युनिभर्सल पिसको निर्माण गरिने हामीलाई जानकारी यहाँ गराउनु भएको छ। खास गरी विश्व शान्तिका निम्ति मेरो योगदान अभियानको थालनी आज लुम्बिनीबाट भएको छ। लुम्बिनीमा अहिलेसम्म भगवान बुद्धको पावन जन्मभूमिको रूपमा परिचित थियो नै, त्यस पछाडि भूमिलाई अझै साँचो अर्थमा विश्वभरको शान्तिको मुहार बनाउनको निम्ति महत्त्वपूर्ण आजको प्रोजेक्ट महत्त्वपूर्ण छ। आदरणीय दर्शकवृन्द, हामीले यहाँलाई लुम्बिनीको यो महत्त्वपूर्ण कार्यक्रममा जोडौँ। अब भने हामीले यहाँलाई सिधा स्टुडियोतर्फ लैजान चाहन्छौँ र लामो समयदेखि लुम्बिनीलाई फलोअप गरिरहेको हामीले यो छिटै यो इमारत निर्माण हुन सकोस्, छिटै देशलाई, विश्वलाई फेरि अर्को लुम्बिनीको पहिचानको रूपमा थप गर्न सकियोस्। हवस् त, धन्यवाद।